All right, so we are back, people. So welcome back to MG Sports TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, whichever time when you're watching this on. So it's another Leon Bailey video. One, you're gonna have people come in the comment section and say, boy, MG can't get no views or make no money if you not call Leon Bailey. One, so let me make this clear. I hate to do Leon Bailey videos. Let me tell you why. For some reason, he always get flagged because people always report it. All a million Bailey videos them get reported. And once it get reported, it get flagged. I know that mean I don't make $1 for them. So I hate doing it. But guess what? He plays for Jamaica. He's a footballer. He's a reggae boy. And this is a football channel. So we have to discuss him. Then, secondly, so much of the supporters, them, so much of the fans, them, consistently ask me, what do I think about the situation? Which now put me in the position where I have to do a video. Despite I try my best not to. I try my best not to. Because at the end of the day, I can't manage if the channel gets much flag. When the channel gets flagged, you know, do the channel no good. But I have to do the video, giving the supporters, giving some of the fans them, and the Reggae Boyz fans them, my perspective on the situation. So, one, no, I don't like doing the videos them. Two, if you don't want to say, me I do if you make views or make money, me make it clear, I don't make $1 fight because they get flagged. Only see him one who say me when I fight, turn on and flag it. So how me make money I fight? All of me get 10,000, 50,000, whatever thousands of views me get money, not even dollar because it get flagged. So me make that clear. So if you feel like me I make these views, yes, me I make it views. If you feel like me I make money I fight, no, unfortunately, me I make the money I fight. I would love to make a money, even $1 fight, but unfortunately. Anyways, now let's get into the meat of the matter. Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for joining me. Really appreciate it. Let me get the disclaimer out that way as early as possible. Now, before we get in the video, Knockins MG Sports TV 1v1 tournament, people. August the 10th. Big something. First ever in a Jamaica 1v1 tournament. I cannot recall seeing another 1v1 tournament in a Jamaica. So this is big. August the 10th, this is this Saturday. Yeah? $1,000 to enter, 20,000 to win. Even if you don't even care about the entry money nor the prize money, come and display your skill set. We will doing whole Instagram posts will be going up, whole video will be taking place, pictures, the commission will be live streamed from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. in the evening. It will be taking place at Kiki Turf in Portmore and Port Henderson Road. You don't know anything already. Anyways, so make sure to come and support, people. Let's get to the meat of the matter. They are Portmore hot. All right. So one, a lot of persons are asking me, will Leon Bailey be part of Steve McClaren setup? Now, I've shown you quite a few videos of how McClaren deploys his team. McClaren loves quick, pacey wingers. Wingers who kind of very much similar to Leon Bailey, who will receive the ball out wide and drift into the half space, either on the right-hand side or the left-hand side. Quick, pacey wingers. So the likes of Cephas, Gray, Bailey, and probably Cain. Hopefully we'll see him back again. We will see, you might see Kaim Paris as well. These players who are very, very fast and can cut inside the half space and probably get out of them shot or make a decision. But him love fast wingers. Love fast wingers. Now, based off that, Leon Bailey, generally, he's one of our best players, if not possible our best player. But that's the problem between him and Ethan Pinnock. You know, you can, whichever you choose. But I'm going to say as an attacker, he's our best attacker. He's our best out-and-out attacker. Really, really talented. So automatically, any coach in their right mind will want their best players on the pitch. And that includes Leon Bailey. So we're going to make it clear, yes, I believe Steve McClaren will want to integrate Leon Bailey in the squad. The problem here now lies is, will Leon Bailey want to come back into the setup? That is the question. Now, please remember that JFF did take the situation out of the coach's hand from Al Grimson and made it clear that any reselection of Leon Bailey, the JFF themselves must be notified by Leon Bailey or his management team that he is available for selection. Will this availability be possible anytime soon? And if you remember, one of the criterias for Leon Bailey's return was, or they changed it to suggestion, that a particular member of the technical committee resign or step down from their position. That's one of the criteria. And that person has just been employed, or should I say, the current regime just won their election and won't step down or even be challenged until the next 4 years. Which means that person won't come down or step down, or his regime, or the particular regime that JFF right now won't leave until next 4 years. Which means we might not see Leon Bailey for another probably next 4 years from now. See that, son? And the work up in the next 2 years. Unless Leon Bailey opted to that part of the, how should I put it now? To that part of the written suggestions and exclude it and say, you know what? I realize that won't happen. So I'm going to make myself available. And you might see the JFF. You might see him contacting JFF and say, no, I am now available. So say not to say that Leon Bailey being in the squad is not the decision of Steve McClaren. Leon Bailey being in the squad, going further from here with Steve McClaren, is a decision of Leon Bailey and his management team. That's where the decision lies. So for me, I don't make me stand clear. Say what he did is total disgrace in my view. And even though many persons might say they understand the reason why he did it, or the circumstance why he did it, I believe that it was more of a game being played. That's what I believe. Not disregarding his statement about mentality or mental health, and also just taking a break, not disregarding that. But I still stand my ground on the belief that he was being used as a pawn. Still stand on that. Yes. But for me personally, I would love to see him back in the squad on the basis of going to the World Cup. But on the other hand, I'm still disappointed and angry about what he did and how he handled the situation. So that's just my view. That's just my view on it. You might disagree with it, no problem at all. But at the end of the day, as I said, the decision is not necessarily of Steve McClaren. It's more so of Leon Bailey in being selected in the squad. So I understand that a lot of persons would love to see Leon Bailey coming back. We have a game coming up in September versus Cuba. Will we see Leon Bailey? The decision is not Steve McClaren's, nor the JFF. The decision is Leon Bailey. So until Leon Bailey points out to the JFF that I'll be available for selection, then we might see him. How will we know if he will make himself available? We don't know. As I said, it's all in his hands. He's the one who controls this particular situation. So, anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash like button, hit subscribe button. And again, nobody flag a video. We don't get the views. Anyways, don't want yeah, man. Leon Bailey supporters, and we'll always do it. I don't mind. But we don't go into my opinion on the situation already. And not only opinion, but what the circumstances surrounding the situation. So, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button. MG Sports TV. See you guys again. Until next time. God bless. Enjoy your rest of the day. Boom. Now, I mean.